GoPro's biggest swing in years is the Mission 1 Pro. GoPro didn't just update their camera, they rebuilt it from the ground up. So today, we're putting the brand new GoPro Mission 1 Pro up against the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 to find out which one actually deserves your money. Let's break it all down and find out who each camera is actually built for. Right out of the box, these two cameras feel very different in your hands. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro is noticeably thicker and heavier than anything GoPro has put out before. It weighs 208 grams. That's about 50 grams heavier than the Hero 13 Black. It's chunkier, more substantial, and it feels less like an action cam and more like a compact cinema camera, because that's exactly what GoPro is positioning it as. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 comes in at 177.2 grams, lighter, more compact, and it still has that signature flip screen, which remains one of the best design decisions in any action camera. The 2.5-inch flip touchscreen makes selfie shots and vlogging effortless, and the 70% increase in pixel density over the previous model makes it genuinely sharp and readable even in bright sunlight. There's also a small 0.7-inch front display for quick status checks. The Mission 1 Pro counters with a 2.59-inch rear OLED, the biggest GoPro has ever shipped, paired with a 1.4-inch front LCD. Both displays are excellent, but the Ace Pro 2's flip mechanism still wins for flexibility. On durability, both cameras are built tough. The Mission 1 Pro is waterproof to 66 feet right out of the box, a meaningful jump from previous GoPros. The Ace Pro 2 hits 39 feet without a case, or up to 197 feet with the optional dive case. If underwater shooting is a priority, the Mission 1 Pro has the clear edge without spending extra. Overall, GoPro Mission 1 Pro wins here for waterproofing and cinematic build quality, and Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is best for portability and the flip screen. Here's where things get seriously interesting. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro runs a 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor with a quad Bayer design. A full 1-inch sensor in an action cam is a massive deal. Larger sensors capture more light, more detail, and produce that cinematic, natural look that's been nearly impossible to get from an action cam until now. GoPro pairs this with their brand new GP3 processor, delivering 2x the pixel processing power of the previous generation. Dynamic range hits 14 stops. That means you're retaining highlight and shadow detail in scenarios where most cameras would blow out or crush the image completely. Combined with 10-bit GP Log 2 recording, the Mission 1 Pro gives you serious color grading flexibility in post. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 uses a 50-megapixel 1/1.3-inch sensor, slightly smaller but still excellent for its class. Dynamic range sits at 13.5 stops, co-engineered with Leica using their Sumaret lens design at f2.6 aperture. Leica's optics bring a unique rendering quality. Colors feel organic, and textures are rendered with real character. In side-by-side shooting, the Mission 1 Pro produces more latitude and a more filmic aesthetic straight from the camera. The Ace Pro 2 looks punchy, sharp, and vibrant, especially in well-lit conditions. Low light is a genuine competition. The Mission 1 Pro's larger sensor gathers more light by nature, but the Ace Pro 2 fights back with pure video mode, an AI-driven shooting mode powered by a custom neural network that dramatically reduces noise and enhances brightness in real time. Pure Video now supports up to 4K 60 FPS, which is remarkable. It's not just a filter, it genuinely transforms low-light footage. The Mission 1 Pro is in a different class when it comes to frame rates. It records up to 8K at 60 FPS in 16:9, not just 8K at 30 FPS like most cameras in this category. You also get 4K at 240 FPS continuous, 1080p at 960 FPS in burst mode, and Open Gate 4/3 at 8K 30 and 4K 120. The bitrate goes up to 240 Mbps on stock firmware, with GoPro Labs unlocking even higher options. The Ace Pro 2 caps out at 8K 30 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS for slow motion, and 1080p at 240 FPS for slow motion. Its dual-chip architecture, a dedicated Pro imaging chip plus a 5nm AI chip, handles processing efficiently and delivers 100% more computing power than the original Ace Pro. The result is smooth, artifact-free footage that punches well above the camera's price point. For most creators, YouTube, social media, travel, and adventure content, the Ace Pro 2 has more than enough resolution and frame rates. But if you're shooting action sports, FPV, or anything where ultra slow motion or 8K 60 matters, the Mission 1 Pro is in a league of its own. Winner, GoPro Mission 1 Pro, and it's not close. Both cameras offer outstanding electronic image stabilization. The Mission 1 Pro runs hypersmooth with auto boost and horizon lock, GoPro's best stabilization yet, now working with a larger sensor. Footage comes out incredibly smooth, even on rough terrain. The Ace Pro 2 features flow state stabilization with a 6-axis gyroscope and in-camera 360-degree horizon lock. Flow state has been best in class for years and continues to impress, keeping footage rock solid even at high frame rates. On audio, the Mission 1 Pro steps up with 4 microphones, 32-bit float recording, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C audio support. The Ace Pro 2 improves its audio over the original with an all-new wind guard design paired with refreshed audio algorithms. Both handle wind noise well, but the Mission 1 Pro's 32-bit float audio gives it a professional edge for those who care about clean sound. This is a genuine GoPro comeback story. The Mission 1 Pro ships with a 2150 mAh battery rated for over 5 hours at 1080p 30 and 3+ hours at 4K 30. That's nearly unheard of for an action camera at this resolution. GoPro's GP3 processor and hardware optimization have made a dramatic difference here. The Ace Pro 2 carries an 1800 mAh battery rated for 180 minutes. Charging is fast, 80% in just 18 minutes via PD fast charging, fully charged in 47 minutes. It also supports reverse charging, so it can top up your phone in a pinch. The Mission 1 Pro wins on raw endurance. The Ace Pro 2 wins on charging speed. Winner, GoPro Mission 1 Pro for total battery life. The Ace Pro 2 leans heavily on AI. Gesture control, voice commands, AI-powered auto editing, and pure video mode make it incredibly accessible and easy to use without touching the camera. The 120-second pre-recording buffer at 1440p and below means you never miss the moment before you hit record. The Mission 1 Pro also includes subject tracking and pre-recording via hindsight, capturing up to 30 seconds before you press record. Its natural color profile adjusts tone mapping to be more flattering for faces, and subject tracking works alongside full 10-bit GP log recording. Winner, Insta360 Ace Pro 2. AI features feel more mature and versatile. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro retails at $699 or $599 for GoPro subscribers. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 standard bundle starts at $399.99, with a dual battery bundle at $419.99. That's a $300 difference. It's significant. And it brings us to the real question. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro is for serious creators who want cinema-grade quality in an action camera body. Filmmakers, professional content creators, and anyone who needs the absolute best image quality, dynamic range, slow motion capabilities, and battery life available. If you're shooting with intent and want footage that holds up in professional productions, this is it. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is for creators who want outstanding quality, smarter shooting, a more versatile design, and a price that doesn't sting. For YouTube, social media, travel, and adventure content, it remains one of the best all-round action cameras you can buy. The Leica lens, AI features, and flip screen make it genuinely fun to use every day. If budget isn't a concern and image quality is everything, Mission 1 Pro. If you want the smartest, most versatile action camera for the money, Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Both cameras are exceptional. The best one is simply the one that fits your mission.